finally our long waiting is over. We now have one of the best crypto trading strategy that will be helping us to trade 24/7 by ourselves, all with ChatGPT and DeepSeek. You don't even need to know what's happening in the chart. You don't even need to look at your chart at all. Let's check this out together before we can proceed. This some of the opportunity I took with the strategy just today. This is my last back test. Check this out with me. If you notice, I have more than 20 open positions, and all of them are on deep profit. All of them, check this out. All of them are on deep profit. Just kindly check all the pairs, and if you come over to our DeepSeek, this is where I get all the opportunity from. You can see this particular one here, 1 USDT. Let's see, 1 USDT. You notice I'm on 9% returns, 9%, and the second one, AX is USDT. Come here, you notice, okay, it's here, and how many percent? 200 and something percent. And these are all the opportunity. These are all the trade. Check this out with me. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check how clean this is. Check how clean this is. Just check it out. If you're interested to learn from how to gain, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check it out one by one. And coming to our DeepSeek here, these are all the opportunity. The best part of this is that the strategy will definitely help us to win every trading day, even as low as $5. This is the crazy part of this. You are sure of trading with this strategy, and you're sure of making profit almost every day with stop loss, take profit, stop loss, take profit every 24 hours. Like, I've been trading with it for the past 2 weeks. Man, the result is so great. The result is so great, and it's going to be available here for all my subscribers. I will dedicate time to to work on a new tutorial video explaining everything in details. And if you have not traded crypto before, don't worry, I'll make everything very simple for you. The only thing I want from you right now is to drop a comment, and when we put this video to 1,000 with over 100 comments, I'll start working on the tutorial. But if you don't do it, if you do not have a comment up to 100 or 200 on this comment section, so what you're going to do right now is to share this video to your friends, drop your comment, like the video, invite your friends to comment, and immediately we hit 1,000 views. And how many comments? Let me leave it on 100 comment. I'll start working on the tutorial explaining everything in details. And just make sure you get your MEXC account ready. And if you are new to crypto, you don't have any active account, check the video description. My referral link is there. Kindly use it to open your MEXC account, and at least fund it with minimum of $10, $20, $30. The more money you have in your trading account, the more profit you're gonna make. And I can tell you boldly, making money in the crypto market would not be a problem at all. And this is just the beginning. We are coming up with more high profitable trading strategy with AI. We don't longer believe on analyzing the chart. All what we do is with AI. So from today, just be aware that you yourself would automatically be AI of your own. The strategy is just so cool, and I'm very sure this will definitely be a blessing to all my members. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to stay tuned, share it with your friend, drop a comment, and immediately we hit 100 comments and 100 comments and 1,000 views, I would start working on this tutorial video. And I'm sure with this, for people that don't have enough money to acquire our trading bot, I'm sure with this you will definitely fight for yourself and make money every day. The best part of this is that it comes with stop loss, take profit, meaning your account is 100% safe. So if in the worst scenario you are not able to make profit, your account is safe, and any day the market go on your direction, boom, you are sure of making profit. And there's also a possibility of we flipping our account here, but we won't go to that. So there's going to be a lot of opportunities coming up. So if you are not subscribing to my YouTube channel, automatically this will not motivate me to do more. So if you're interested to learn, to benefit, to eat with us every trading day, just click on the subscribe button right now, share it with your friends. Please don't forget, I remember your friend Ekan the trader. I will be more than happy seeing you making money with this every day. And for those that are totally new to crypto, just do not worry yourself. I'm here to make sure that you become a high profitable crypto trader without paying a dime to anybody. Please be aware, I do this 100% free as long as you're ready to do what? To learn.